Hey everyone, Ronnie, Slater, Blue Glass. So I want to show you this fall protection setup that we're doing here. We're at the top of this chimney, and we've got a good scaffolding set up to get here. And it's really challenging at the top of a chimney to tie off the saw. So I'll turn this around and show you what my buddy Pat did. So you can see we've got a V1 anchor right down there. It's a beautiful place, isn't it? But anyway, so we've got a V1 anchor right down there, and Pat ran the rope from the V1 anchor to some webbing around the base of the chimney. Underneath that webbing, up and over top of the chimney. It goes back down behind some webbing into, if I can see this, let's see. To another V1 on the other side. And then at the top, we've got a butterfly knot, which we'll hook to, and we're protective, of course. So basically what happens, if you're hooked to this, you got a high point. Bolt into a chimney is a weird thing. So we're not really bolted to the chimney, bolted over the chimney. And I'll back up and tell a little bit more about what's going on with this project. So as you can see, they're cracked. The chimney's leaning. We're going to take off these caps. An artist is making some more locally, and we're going to take this off. We're going to go down 10 layers of brick and cap it off where it's straight and build it back from that point below. And then we're also repointing the chimney using a mortar from Limeworks. Limeworks, I think they're in Vermont, but they're really good. So anyway, fall protection on the chimney. Butterfly knot over to 2 anchors below. Now take care.